The next. Okay. Now we at least worked or calculated the image of 3 points or 4 points, okay, and the rotation about the origin through 90 degrees counterclockwise. And we did write or find out the matrix that transform this point into their image. Okay, when theta equal 90 degrees. Okay. So here we'll do the same. This one, my kids, in fact, is what? Is the matrix for rotation about the origin, okay, through 270 degrees counterclockwise. Okay. Look, first of all, cosine of theta. Cosine. Okay. I will write it here. Cosine of 270 degrees is always 0. Okay? And sine of 270 degrees is what? Is minus 1. And sine of 270, okay, yes, it will be minus 1. Means what? This is, look, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is 90 degrees. So sine of 90 degrees is 1. Okay? This is the unit circle. I will suppose this is the unit circle. Okay? So, and cosine of 0 is 1. Cosine of 180 is negative 1. Cosine of 270 is 0. But sine 270 is minus 1. Okay? Here we try to substitute in this trigonometric function theta equal 270. Theta equal 270 degree. Okay. So, cosine of 270 is 0. Sine of 270 is minus 1. Cosine sine of 270, this is 90, this is 90, 180 plus 90 is 270. So sine of 270 is negative 1. But here, you look here, there is a negative sign. Negative gives positive, so that's why here is 1. And sine of theta, where theta equal 270 is negative 1, so it will be negative 1. Then cosine of 270 is 0. So this is in fact the matrix that transform any shape, okay, about the origin anti-clockwise, okay, through 270 degrees. Okay, let's start first. The point 10, my kids. 10 on the x-axis. It will map to what? To 0, negative 1. To 0, negative 1. This point will move 90 degrees, then 90 degrees, then 90 degrees. So this point, it will be what? 0, negative 1. Okay? This point, after rotating this about the origin, 270, 90 degrees counterclockwise, it will be this point. So 0, negative 1. Okay. 0, negative 1. Okay. So in that, the matrix that transform this point on its image, okay, I will write the relationship between them. So A multiplied by 1 is A. Then C multiplied by 1 is C equal 0, negative 1. So these both matrices are equal and have the same order, means A equals 0 and C equal negative, means A equals 0, and C equal negative 1. That's why here we should write 0, negative 1. Okay, for the next one. 4, 0, 1, this point, my kids, it will move we will rotate this point about the origin counterclockwise through 270 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay? This is 90 degree, 108, and this one 90. So it will be like that. It will be this point. Means this is has the coordinates of 0, 1. After rotating this about the origin counterclockwise through an angle of 270 degree, it will be what? It will be 1, 0. Okay? It will be 1, 0. So we told that this point 0, 1 maps to the point 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, x equals 0, y equals 1. Maps to this point. Okay, then I will try to find B and D. I will use this matrix of transformation that transform this point to its image to find B and D, because A and C we already found it. Found it. Okay. So then just I will multiply this by that. A multiplied by 0 is 0, plus B multiplied by 1 is B. Good boy. Then the next C multiplied by 0 is 0, D multiplied by 1 is D. Should be equal to what, my kids? To 1, 0. Now you can equate both matrices. Why? Because both of them are equal and both of them have the same order. So just equating their corresponding entries means what? B equal 1. B equal 1 and C equal what? C equal 0. Okay, so I found now my matrix for rotation about the origin through 270 degree counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. I will just write it here, which is 0, negative 1, 1, 0. So the matrix for an anti-clockwise rotation, for an anti-clockwise means counterclockwise. Okay, rotation about the origin through 270 degree is 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Is 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Okay. This matrix helps you to find the coordinates of the image of any point. Okay? Let's investigate. Okay, so first of all, what is your matrix of transformation? Yes? This is 0, my kids? This is 0. Because cosine of 270 degrees is 0. Cosine of 270 is 0. Sine of 270 is minus 1. So minus sine of 270 is minus 1 is 1. This is the matrix for rotation. This one is matrix for rotation. Matrix for what? For rotation. For rotation. For, okay. We can write, okay, like that. Okay, we told that matrix for anti-clockwise okay, matrix for an anti-clockwise clockwise rotation okay, about what? About the origin. About the origin through what? Through 270 degree. Okay? This is the matrix. This one helps you to find the coordinates of any point. If, for example, this point B, of course, 3, 2, I will just make here 3, 2. Then I will calculate it. 0 by 3, 0, 1 plus 2 is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then minus 1 multiplied by 3 is minus 3 plus 0 by 2 is 0. So this is, I immediately using matrix transformation to transform B into B prime. I just multiply the matrix for rotation about the origin anti-clockwise through 270 degrees of this point. I found this one. Okay? Let's do it. Okay. This one my kid says a homework. Think about it. This is a homework. Okay. This is a homework. Please do it. Now I will give an exercise. A of coordinates 0, 1. B of coordinates 1, negative 3. C of coordinates 7, 7. Okay? I will try to find the coordinates of these points. Okay? And the rotation about the origin counterclockwise through an angle of 270 degrees. Okay. So first of all, I should write the matrix for this transformation, for this rotation. Okay, the matrix for rotation about the origin through 270 degrees. What? We told 1, yes, negative 1, sorry, 0, we got 0, then this is 1, 0. Okay? This is the matrix that transforms any point in the rotation about the origin through 270 degrees. Okay. Zaid Ibrahim, the first one. I will just write here what? 0, minus 1. Then this one it will be 1, 0. Multiply by what? Yes, Zaid, multiply by the coordinates of this point A. But try to write as a kind of vector. It will be 0, 1. Good boy. Then 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, good boy. Then minus 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 0 by 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now, I use the matrix for rotation about the origin through 270 degrees counterclockwise of this point. I found the image. Means that, so A of coordinates 0, 1 and max 2 A prime of coordinates 1, 0. Good boy. Then, the next one we have 0, negative 1, 1, 0 multiplied by what? Multiplied by the coordinates of the point B, my kids, is what? Is 1, negative 3. Then, just find the product of these two matrices, you will find the image. So this one will be negative 3y, Ammar. Why negative 3? And this one gives negative 1, y. That is the question. Why exactly? Numerically, move to multiply the first row by the first column. Means 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, plus 1 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3. So 0, negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, the next, multiply this by this column. Minus 1 multiplied by 1 is minus 1. Plus 0 multiplied by minus 3 is 0. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. So, I will just write, hence that B has a coordinates of 1, negative 3. And B prime, max to B prime is negative 3, negative 1. Okay? The next one. 0, 1, 0, negative 1, this is my matrix, or the matrix for transformation about the origin anti-clockwise through an angle of 270 degrees. Okay. Multiply by what? Multiply by the coordinates of the point C, which is 7, 7. Okay? 7, 7. Now we multiply this, it will be 7. This one it will be what? Negative 7. Why negative 7? Because 1 multiplied by 7, 0, plus 1 by 7 is 7. Then negative 1 multiplied by 7 is negative 7. Plus 0 multiplied by 7 is 0. Negative 7 plus 0 is negative 7. So I will just write this here as 7, 7, 7. And here it will be 7 negative 7. Okay, 7, negative 7. Okay, now enter the rotation about the origin through 270 degree. Triangle A, B, C is mapped into triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, where the coordinates are A, B prime, C prime, we already calculated. So it will be 1, 0, then here it will be negative 3, negative 1, and the last one 7, 7, and negative 7. 7 and negative 7. This is negative but it's not clear. I will clarify it. Okay, negative 7. Okay, the next one, my kids. Here we have another example. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, and 0, 4. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this one is C. C of coordinates 2, negative 3. C of coordinates 2, negative 3. Okay. 2, negative 3. So, here we have 3 points. A matrix for rotation about the origin through 270 degree is what? Is called 0. Yes? 0 minus 1. Then 1, 0. I will try to multiply this matrix by the column vector of this point A to find the column vector of its image A prime. Then I will immediately move to multiply this matrix for rotation about the origin through 270 degree by the column vector of this point to find the image of this point, okay? And C also. So, shall I write here the matrix for transformation? It will be what? 0. It will be, sorry. It will be, my kids, 0, 1, negative 1, 0. Okay. This one it will be okay, negative 1, and this is negative, negative, gives positive. Okay. Positive 1. Okay. So, multiply by what? The coordinates of this is what? It is negative 1, 2. Negative 1, 2. Okay, negative 1, negative 2. Okay. Then multiply this by that. It will be negative 2. Why negative 2, Mariam? Because 0 multiplied by negative 1 is 0. 1 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2. 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Then the second one, this multiplied by this gives 1. Why? You know, because negative 1 by negative 1 is positive, plus 0 by negative 1 is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Good boy. So, minus 1, I will just write here the coordinates minus 1, minus 2. Then this maps to A prime with the coordinate of negative 2, 1. Then, the next point, to find the coordinates of the point B, just write this as a kind of vector and multiply by the matrix for rotation about the origin. Okay, anti-clockwise 270 degree, you will find the B prime, the image of the coordinates of the point B, which is labeled as B prime. Okay, so I'll just write 0 minus 1, 1, 0 multiplied by what? By 0, 4, good boy. Then this one gives 4, only 4, because 0 by 0, 0, 1 by 4 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4. This one minus 1, 0 multiplied by this gives 0. Okay, minus 1 by 0 is 0, plus 0 by 4 is 0. Add the 0, it will be 0. Hence that B has a coordinates of 0, 4, and B prime has a coordinates of 4, 4, 4, 4, 0. Then, the next, 2, negative 3. This is 2, my kids. This is negative 3. Okay. This is 0, -1. This is 1, 0. Multiply this by that. Think it is a rotation. Think that is a rotation, please. About the origin. Okay, through 90 degree. Okay? So, we thought that this one gives only -3. Why -3? Because 0 by 2 is 0 plus 1 multiplied by -3 is -3, -3 plus 0 is -3. Then this one, -1 multiplied by 2 is -2, plus 0 multiplied by -3 is 0. 0 plus -2 gives -2. So just I will write here. Hence C of coordinates 2, -3 maps to what? Maps to C prime of coordinates -3 and -2. Good boy. Then you can write the coordinates of this point, which is A, we have -2, 1, B prime is 4, 0, and C prime is -3. What else? -2. Okay, we can see that. And then the rotation about the origin. 90, not 90 degree. 270 degree, this one, 270 degree, okay, 270 degree, triangle ABC is mapped into triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, where A prime, you already calculate its coordinates, so we wrote it down here, -1, B prime, we already calculate this, and you should write it down there for 0, and C prime, -3, -2. Okay, I wish that at least you have an idea how can you use algebraic techniques rather than using geometric techniques, because this one obliges you to work with the matrices, okay, matrix transformation, okay. Then the next one, my kids, we have what? The next example.